Greetings, we are from Team 4 of Bina Nusantara University. We would like to present our research paper about user experience analysis on EMS system using user experience questionnaire and retrospective think aloud methods. My name is Jonathan.
My name is Eka Cindy.
And my name is William.
We are supervised by Mrs. Dina. In the current day and age, the development of technologies is very rapid. Most of all large companies and small businesses must more or less involve presence of technology. These include large companies in the field of telecommunication and information technology. One of these companies is PT Telekomunikasi Selular, or commonly known by the public as Telkomsel. Telkomsel has EMS, which is a request command application that converts email into tickets. In the dashboard, the mechanism regarding requests for activation of registration and new installs, requests for mutation, requests for information, and complaints are being regulated. However, from the interview results with the management, it was found that many employees tend to use emails rather than EMS. Therefore, UX analysis for EMS must be conducted. It can be done using UAQ method, which is a technique that collects data using questionnaire that meets the UX measurement aspects, namely attractiveness, perspicuity, efficiency, dependability, stimulation, and novelty. We also use RTA, which is one of the more productive technique to find problems that will be also used as the basis for the proposed recommendation, which can be considered to improve the UX level of the EMS. Based on those things, this study will examine the level of employee satisfaction by measuring it using 6 aspects of UAQ measurement, namely attractiveness, perspicuity, efficiency, dependability, stimulation, and novelty.
The objective of this research are to analyze UX level on Telkomsel EMS dashboard and recommend to Telkomsel and developers regarding improvement to the EMS dashboard user interface. The benefits are to help Telkomsel to find out what needs to be improved from the EMS dashboard and can be used as the references for Telkomsel to develop EMS dashboard to the next version. This study used a mixed approach, where we use quantitative and qualitative analysis simultaneously. In our study, we use UAQ to collect empirical data on EMS. Meanwhile, in the qualitative approach to analyzing non-numerical data, we use the RTA method. The qualitative method is used to produce more detailed suggestion for improvement. By using these two methods, user experience assessment and suitable suggestion for improvement are generated. The combination of UAQ and RTA is a good combination of method because the strength of the two methods are complementary. We start the research by interview the management. After collecting and understanding literature, we collect the data that are needed. UAQ data was collected by distributing questionnaire to the sample size. RTA data was collected by executing RTA protocol using Microsoft Teams to the participant. Then the data was analyzed using UAQ tools for UAKey data and RTA protocols for RTA data. From this result, suggestions for improvement were generated.
User experience questionnaire was distributed to 101 respondents from a population of 136 people using Slovene theory. The average value of all aspects shows mostly above average, as shown on the screen. It also can be seen that novelty aspect has the lowest value, so it has to be the main focus of improvement. This is the user experience questionnaire benchmark. According to the user experience questionnaire benchmark, the EMS condition is above average, but not optimal. Therefore, improvement must be made to increase the quality of EMS. So, to fix the problems found in EMS, usability testing with the retrospective think-aloud method was carried out to find a more detailed problem. Retrospective think-aloud was conducted to 4 participants from 2 groups, totaling 8 participants. We chose 6 task scenarios based on previous research. The task scenarios are login to EMS, find ticket with following ID, post a comment on the ticket, attach a file, change the ticket priority, and assign the ticket to the next admin. These are the results of retrospective think-aloud, which shows that feature need improvement and what problems. Based on the result of the analysis, the following are the proposed improvements to increase the user experience value of EMS. Improving the font, spacing, color, and other aspects of the EMS interface, especially on all tickets, to make it more dynamic, as seen in the picture. We also added filter feature for status priority, date, and title to make it easy to search for ticket. Improving the upload UI so that the user knows whether the file has been uploaded or not, as displayed on the screen. Added a confirmation page for the assigned ticket feature to reduce the possibility of assigning the ticket to the wrong employee as seen on the screen. Upgrading the font, spacing, color, and other aspects of the EMS. In the ticket section, detail section, and its drop down to make it more dynamic as shown on screen. We also adding a search feature to make it easier to search for categories, account manager, owner, and assignees.
The result of this study concludes that 1. Based on the user experience questionnaire result, it was found that the novelty aspect had a below average value. The result match and are supported by the result of the retrospective think aloud method, which indicate that improvements are needed regarding the existing UI and features. Based off this result, improvements were made in form of changing to the font, the distance between items, color, and shape of the UI, location, and the function of filter and search features, edit confirmation feature, and improvements to the UI of upload attachments. 2. Based on the results of the analysis using retrospective think aloud method, by instructing participants to carry out the task scenarios that have been determined by the researcher, the results were found that 7 out of 8 respondents experienced some problems in using some features in EMS. Based on the study, it was known that respondents felt less satisfied with the performance and features of the EMS. Third, for the future development of the EMS dashboard, it is possible to change the display on the all ticket page so that it becomes more dynamic and the color matches to the color of Telkomsel. Add a search bar feature based on status, priority, date created, number, and subject. Clarify the view when uploading documents. Add this research feature for category, assignee, and owner columns. And add a confirmation pop-out when the ticket is about to be assigned to someone else. With that, the presentation of our research paper has come to finish. Thank you.